Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below and I'll just regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Flickr. And probably you've heard about it because it's a very popular one. And yeah, let's start with this app. And at first you can just see that on the screen it has 4.3 stars out of 5. And the other thing, if you're above 12 years old, you can use this app. And with this app, you can just use for uploading, editing and sharing your photos from any device and any time. It is an app for photographers in the world. And if you just want to share your photos with the world, this is the right place for you. And you can just find your inspiration, you can find your people here. Flickr is home to billions of photos and millions of groups of passionate photographers. And with the help of this app, you can browse with ease, select and organize hundreds of photos with one gesture and share in seconds. And also you can unleash your creativity, you can edit your photos, you can add filters, crop images and more. And this app is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Android as well. And the developer is Flickr Inc. And there is a free version available, but also there are in-app purchases. And so let's look at the preview here. As you can see, here you can just create an account and then you can just see your followers and the people you're following here. And the design is simple but actually visually appealing. And you can just see the camera roll, your public photos, albums and your favorites, and the groups here. You can access, organize, edit and share through Flickr. So you can just see the photos there and you can just unleash your creativity. So there are some examples and you can find the perfect photo. For example, if you are looking for mountains, you can just search that in the search box, and there are a lot of unlimited photos here. And the other thing, you can share, connect and be inspired with the help of Flickr. Yeah. And Flickr remains the photo social network of record, and it's not just a place you can upload, organize and back up all your smartphone shots, but also it is the place where you can participate in a huge community of professional amateur photographers. You can be professional, you can be amateur photographers, and you can just join this community. You'll find current photography from the White House, the British monarchy, and more other major institutions on Flickr. You can get a free terabyte of online storage for your photos with Flickr, and a good technology automatically tags photos based on what's in them, a beach, a bird, a group of people, and you can just upgrade to a pro account as well. And the pricing just changes according to the place where you live, so you need to check that on App Store. And with a pro account, you can just have ad-free viewing and unlimited storage. And also I'll just show you the app from here. At first go to the App Store, and then you need to download the app, and then you need to tap open, and we'll go to directly to the app itself. So we are here. This is the main page, and as you can see, this is the main page, sorry. And as you can see, this view has infinite scroll. You can just scroll down to see the feed as long as you like, with the latest images on top and older ones lower down. Along the right side are links to the Flickr. You can just see the users you might know, and if you are a free user, you can see ads. And thankfully, the ads are not aggressive or distracting. So how can you find good photographers to follow here? You can explore there, and you'll see the most favorited photos on the surface. And just scroll down far enough and you're sure to find some real gems. And the photographer's handle always appears with an image, and following them is a click away. For example, let's look at these photos. And for example, I loved this one, this photo. And clicking any image opens the photo page, which removes the right panel and darkens the background so that you can focus on the shot. It also presents thumbnails of the photographers. A photo stream, you can always hit the back and forward arrow keys to move through a photo stream, or you can click on a thumbnail, and also you can pan around by moving the mouse. There is also full screen view accessible by the top right corner arrows. And on the lower part of the photo page, you can also just favorite, share, download the image. Of course, if the member has permitted this sharing. And also you can just see how many people just favorite and faved this photo. And you can see the comments here and how many people saw this photo. And you can just tap the person, and then you can follow, and you can look at his photos from here, and you can follow this person by tapping follow icon. And you can see his albums as well, and his favorite photos also you can see from here, and the groups. So there are so many options here. And from there you can just discover new photos according to your taste. And yeah, so here you can just see different photos there, and the categorization uses tags that you can see. And you also, if you just for example, you just uploaded a photo, and the categorization uses tags that you can see. And then if there is a problem, if there is a miscategorization, you can correct the miscategorization simply by removing the clearly marked robot tags. And like many social sites, the Flickr profile takes a page from Facebook, and also you can just choose from recent photos in your stream or upload a new image for your cover photo. Some pro users may be miffed that they can't choose the presentation of their images on their profile page, but Flickr was never intended as a portfolio site with lots of individual control over web page design. And Flickr also boasts an updated search feature that uses the same image intelligence letting you find photos with more accuracy using new search algorithms. And advanced options lets you filter default photos by color, size, orientation, and content type. And you can apply tags and attach names to photos at the uploading step. But you can also add and edit tags on a photos page. And Flickr remembers all your previous tags, so you can easily click on them to apply the photo part for editing and management program. And once your photos are tagged, they will be more easily searchable by Flickr visitors, and it will be much easier for you to find all those photos that say, even your cat. And the other thing is about that you can just see your camera roll. Just tap this one and you can just see your camera roll. If you have any photos, if you have just uploaded any photos, and you can just see your public photos from there. And then the other thing, your albums. And the other thing, your favorite photos, also you can see here. And the groups that you edit. And yeah, it's very easy to use, as you can see. So you can see whenever friends follow you or fave your photos, you'll get a notification. So this is the notification board, and you can just search different photos according to topic. And so, or you can just search for people or groups from one place, and you just need to do just search it on the search box. That's it. And Flickr's offerings are unmatched. For example, when we compare it to Google Photos can't boast Flickr's social community features and limits you to 16 megapixels or 15 gigabyte, which isn't enough for serious photographers. And I think this one, Flickr, is much better than other ones according to users. And also, so if we talk about the pros and cons of this app, in a nutshell, the pros of this app, that image recognition automatically categorizes images, and which is great. And also it gives you 1 terabyte free storage, and it preserves full-size images, and it has an attractive interface, as you can just see here. And it has a large photo sharing community. There's an online photo editing and traffic stats. And the cons of the app is just there are ads in free accounts, and the user has no control over layout of the profile page. But there aren't not so many cons of this app. Generally, there are so many pros of this app, so I would highly recommend this one. And I think that's it for now. Thanks for that. And yeah, so the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.